fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And I'm not shining love story called everything's peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice.